three lines papunta sa isang point. Si choice B, 2 lines lang. Okay, dapat 3 lines yon. So that's why choice B is wrong. And etong start ng tail kay choice C, hindi siya nag-mirror. Okay, dapat iba yung direction niya. That's why choice C is wrong. And ganun din naman kay choice D. And also the tip of the tail for choice D is also wrong. That's why the answer here is letter A. Sige, take a screenshot. Next, number 17. Okay, so ice cream. So for choice B, hindi nag-mirror yung details ng ice cream. And for choice C, hindi rin nag-mirror yung details ng cone. And for choice D, nag-mirror yung ice cream cup. Nag-mirror siya horizontally. Yung nga lang, nag-mirror ulit siya vertically. Bawal nga mag-mirror vertically. That's why the answer is letter A. Okay. So for number 18, since madaming details, let's try to use copper method. Okay. Okay, so 2 broken lines. Okay. 5 broken lines, pare-pareho. 3 broken lines, okay. So 3 din ulit. Eto, meron nang naiba. So eto, 2 broken lines. Eto, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Anong sabi ng given? 1, 2, 3. So choice A is wrong. Next. Eto, may naiba ulit. So this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Anong sabi ng given? 1, 2. So mali si choice B. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pwede. 1, 2, 3. Yun nga lang, for choice C, wala yung line dito. And for choice D, meron. Anong sabi ng given? There should be a small line on that part. That's why choice C is wrong. And the answer is letter D. Di ba? Mas madali pagka meron kang cover method. Alright, so take a screenshot. Next, number 19. Number 19. For number 19, yes, totoo. Mahirap yung characters pagka naka-mirrored. So, sino yung mga mali dito? First is, dapat makita natin yung obvious. Yung colon, si letter C. Okay, mali si letter C. Kasi nga colon, should be semicolon. Sino pa? Yung EI, nagkabaliktad. Okay, that's why letter B is wrong. Ano pa? Yung letter S dito. Hindi siya nag-mirror. That's why the answer is letter A. Next, number 20. For number 20, si choice D hindi siya nag-mirror. So we eliminate choice D right away. And for letter B, this one is longer than the given. Kay choice B. So we eliminate choice B. So ngayon, anong pinagkaiba ni C and D? Sorry, C and D. Ni A and C? It is the bottom part. Si choice C, mas malapit yung tails ng snakes dun sa cane, sa dulo ng cane. Anong sabi ng given? Mas malapit ba o mas malayo? Mas malapit daw. Should be closer to the tip of the cane. So, mali? Si choice A. That's why the answer is letter C. Okay. Now, pag chinek nyo sa yung choice B sa booklet nyo, di ba maliit din naman, kapareho ng given. Yung nasa middle part na yon. Ano ang mali sa choice B sa booklet nyo? It is the bottom part. Sino ang kapareho niya? Si choice A. Choice B. Sige, take a screenshot. Kumusta yung scores nyo? Better ba kaysa sa hidden figure? Pareho lang. Okay. Sige. Next. Number 21. Dito wala dapat magkakamali sa identical formation. Okay. Number 21. Ano yung mali dito? It should be Panacea, not Panacea. Ano pa? There should be a comma after carry out. And then, lowercase dapat yung gods and goddesses. That's why the answer is letter D. Okay, sorry. Next, for number 22. My number 22 is your number 23 sa booklet. Punta muna kayo sa number 23. Okay, mali si 48. Okay, it should be 4 grams. Okay, ano pa? Yung recommended, it should be double M, so nag-iisa lang. And then yung hyphen sa 24-hour, nawala. That's why the answer is letter A. Sige, take a screenshot. Okay, next, number 23. Number 23. Okay, so for number 23, mali si letter A kasi, this is your number 22 ha. Yung comma, it should be period. And then, mali si letter C, nawala yung high apostrophe kay Comptons. And then mali si letters D, spelled out yung March. That's why the answer is letter B. Next, number 24. Si choice A ay 1900. It should be 1800. And nawala yung period after junior. Okay, and spelled out yung avenue sa choice D. That's why the answer is letter C. Sige, take a screenshot. Okay, next, number 25. Last letter. Okay, mali si letter A kasi pace, it should be peace. And mali si letter B kasi possible, kulang ng S. Okay, and si letter C, it should be in good terms, not God terms. That's why the answer is letter D. All right, a question. This is the answer key. Paki-take note nga lang yung 22 and 23. Nagkabaliktad sila. Okay. So this is the answer key for quizzes 1 to 4. All right, question. Before we proceed to the next topic. Walang tanong? Okay, sige. Kung walang question, let's proceed to the next topic. Mhm. Alright, so the next topic is examineering. Or tinatawag ko tong paano sumagot ng walang alam. Or sabi ng iba, test-taking techniques. Now, tawag nito. Nagbago ba yung ano nito? Okay, so kasi nga 'di ba, it is impossible for us to know everything. It is impossible for us to remember everything. Meron at meron talaga na may encounter tayong question na possible na hindi natin alam kung paano sasagutan. All right? Sige. Now for for the next topic, let's have a quiz first before we discuss. So on page 13 of your activity booklet, okay, page 113, that is examineering. That is 15 items, good for 10 minutes. All right, good for 10 minutes. If you are going to use the link, ayan, sinend ko na yung link, and that is the access code. Okay, your 10 minutes starts now.